Ancient mysteries of the enigma of H-shaped stones, scattered across the globe from the windswept plains of Mongolia to the sun-drenched deserts of Arabia, stand silent sentinels of a forgotten past, H-shaped stone structures. These enigmatic monoliths, often towering several meters high, have puzzled archaeologists and historians for centuries. Their precise purpose remains shrouded in mystery, their origins lost to the mists of time. These structures, typically formed by two upright stones capped by a horizontal lintel, evoke a sense of awe and wonder. They stand as testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of our ancient ancestors. Yet they also pose profound questions about the capabilities and motivations of those who erected them. The very existence of these structures challenges our understanding of the past. They hint at a level of sophistication and social organization that belies traditional narratives of prehistory. Who were these ancient architects? What tools and techniques did they use to shape and erect these massive stones? And perhaps most importantly, what was their purpose? These questions have haunted the dreams of explorers, archaeologists, and historians for generations. They beckon us to delve deeper into the annals of time, to unravel the secrets held within these silent stone guardians. The journey to unlock their mysteries promises to be a thrilling and enlightening one, filled with unexpected twists and turns. Unanswered questions, whispers from the past. The H-shaped stones are more than just enigmatic structures. They are puzzles within puzzles, each one a silent testament to the ingenuity and mystery of ancient civilizations. Each stone seems to whisper untold stories, each curve hinting at forgotten knowledge. The intricate carvings and precise shapes suggest a level of sophistication that continues to baffle modern archaeologists. Their very presence challenges our assumptions about the past, forcing us to confront the limits of our understanding. These stones are not just relics. They are keys to unlocking the secrets of ancient engineering and cultural practices. One of the most perplexing questions revolves around their construction. The methods used to carve, transport, and erect these stones remain a topic of intense debate and speculation. How did ancient people, without access to modern technology, manage to quarry, transport, and erect these massive stone blocks? The sheer scale of the task is mind-boggling, suggesting a level of organization and knowledge that we are only beginning to understand. Some of these stones weigh several tons, posing a logistical challenge even with today's advanced engineering. The precision with which they were placed indicates a deep understanding of geometry and physics. The uniformity of the H-shape across vast geographical distances deepens the mystery. How did such a specific design spread across different cultures and continents? Was this a case of independent invention where different cultures stumbled upon the same design? Or was there a form of communication or shared knowledge that transcended geographical boundaries? Or could there be a common thread, a shared knowledge that linked these disparate civilizations? The possibility of a lost, interconnected world is both tantalizing and humbling. And then there's the question of their purpose. Were these stones merely decorative, or did they serve a more profound function? Were they astronomical markers aligning with celestial events? The alignment of some stones with the stars suggests a deep understanding of astronomy. Did they serve as territorial boundaries, demarcating sacred spaces, or perhaps as elaborate burial monuments? The context in which these stones are found can offer clues, but often raises more questions. The lack of written records from these early periods leaves us with more questions than answers. Without text to guide us, we must rely on the stones themselves to tell their story. The silence of the stones only amplifies their mystique. They stand as silent witnesses to a time long past, their secrets locked away, waiting to be discovered. They stand as a stark reminder of the vastness of time and the countless civilizations that have risen and fallen before our own. Each stone is a fragment of a larger story, a piece of a puzzle that spans millennia. Their secrets, locked away for millennia, await patient discovery. As we continue to study and explore these ancient sites, we inch closer to understanding the whispers from the past. Archaeological breakthroughs. Unearthing the past. The journey into the depths of history is often fraught with challenges, but it is these very challenges that make each discovery all the more rewarding. Despite the challenges, archaeologists have made significant strides in unraveling the enigma of the H-shaped stones. These stones, with their unique shapes and mysterious origins, have long puzzled researchers and historians alike. Through meticulous excavation, painstaking analysis, and a touch of serendipity, they have begun to piece together fragments of the story behind these ancient structures. Each layer of soil removed, each artifact uncovered, brings us one step closer to understanding the people who once inhabited these lands. One of the key milestones was the discovery of similar H-shaped stones in geographically distant regions. This finding was not just a coincidence, but a significant clue that hinted at a broader connection between ancient civilizations. This finding suggested the possibility of cultural diffusion, or perhaps a shared ancestral tradition that spanned continents. The idea that ancient peoples could have shared knowledge and techniques across vast distances opens up new avenues of research and speculation. The realization that these structures were not isolated incidents but part of a wider phenomenon was a major breakthrough. It indicated that there was a level of sophistication and connectivity among ancient societies that we are only beginning to comprehend. Another significant development has been the application of advanced dating techniques. These techniques have revolutionized our ability to pinpoint the age of archaeological finds with greater accuracy than ever before. By analyzing the decay of organic materials found near the stones, scientists have been able to establish approximate timelines for their construction. This has allowed us to place these structures within a broader historical context, shedding light on the era in which they were built. These dates have pushed back the origins of some of these structures, challenging existing historical narratives. The new timeline suggests that these ancient builders possessed advanced knowledge and skills much earlier than previously thought. Excavations around the stones have also yielded valuable artifacts, offering glimpses into the lives of the people who built them. These artifacts, ranging from everyday tools to ceremonial objects, provide a tangible connection to the past. Pottery shards, tools, and even human remains have provided valuable clues about their culture, beliefs, and practices. Each find adds a new layer of understanding, helping us to reconstruct the social and cultural fabric of these ancient communities. Each artifact is a piece of the puzzle, helping to paint a more complete picture of the past. The careful documentation and analysis of these finds are crucial in piecing together the story of these ancient people. The study of these ancient structures is an ongoing process. As new technologies and methods are developed, our ability to uncover and interpret the past continues to improve. New discoveries are constantly reshaping our understanding of their significance. Each new find has the potential to rewrite what we know about these ancient builders and their world. With each breakthrough, we move closer to unlocking the secrets held within these silent stone guardians. The journey of discovery is far from over, and the past still holds many secrets waiting to be unearthed. Construction theories piecing together the puzzle. The ancient world is filled with mysteries, and one of the most intriguing is how our ancestors managed to construct massive stone structures with the limited technology available to them. The sheer size and weight of the H-shaped stones have led to much speculation about their construction. These stones, some weighing several tons, were not just placed haphazardly. They were meticulously positioned to create structures that have stood the test of time. How did ancient people with limited tools and technology manage to quarry, transport, and erect these massive blocks? This question has puzzled historians and archaeologists for centuries, leading to a variety of theories and hypotheses. Several theories have emerged, each attempting to explain this remarkable feat of engineering. These theories range from the practical to the fantastical, each offering a unique perspective on ancient ingenuity. One theory suggests the use of ramps and levers. This idea is supported by evidence of similar techniques used in other ancient construction projects, such as the pyramids of Egypt. According to this hypothesis, ancient builders would have created earthen ramps leading up to the desired height. These ramps could be adjusted and extended as the construction progressed, allowing workers to move the stones incrementally. They would then use wooden rollers and levers to maneuver the stones into place, a labor-intensive but achievable task. This method, while requiring significant manpower, would have been within the capabilities of ancient societies. Another theory proposes the use of water. This idea is particularly intriguing because it suggests a level of environmental manipulation that we often don't associate with ancient peoples. Proponents of this idea believe that ancient people may have used canals or redirected rivers to transport the heavy stones. By floating the stones on rafts or using buoyancy techniques, they could have moved them over long distances with relative ease. Once near the construction site, they could have used buoyancy to lift and position the stones with greater ease. This method would have required careful planning and a deep understanding of hydrodynamics. A more recent theory explores the possibility of sophisticated rope and pulley systems. This theory suggests that ancient builders were capable of creating complex mechanical systems to aid in construction. By using strong ropes made from plant fibers and strategically placed wooden structures, ancient builders could have created systems capable of lifting and maneuvering the massive stones. This method would have required a high degree of coordination and engineering knowledge. This theory suggests a higher level of technological ingenuity than previously assumed. It challenges our perceptions of ancient societies and their capabilities. While each theory has its merits, the definitive answer remains elusive. The true methods used by ancient builders may never be fully understood, but the ongoing research and debate continue to shed light on their incredible achievements. It's possible that different cultures employ different methods depending on their local environment and available resources. This diversity in techniques highlights the adaptability and resourcefulness of ancient peoples. The construction of these structures likely involved a combination of ingenuity, skill, and sheer human determination. The collaborative effort of countless individuals, each contributing their expertise and labor, made these monumental achievements possible. Their legacy continues to inspire and challenge us to this day.